1 week ago, he have done a smart beard hair transplant. Can you introduce yourself?
Sure, my name is Nathan. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Sabah. Today is day 7. I have smart FE beard transplant here at Glomac, done by Professor Dr. Jas. This is actually because many people around me have beard, and I think they look cool. That's why I want to have a beard too. This is because many people around me have starting to keep a beard, and I think they look really cool and mature. That's why I want to have a beard too. But because of my genetics, it is quite difficult for me to grow a full beard. That's why I want to proceed with a beard transplant procedure.